Guys, are you searching for a monitoring app that's easy to install, user-friendly, doesn't break your bank and lets you view all the activity on a target user's device without intruding on their daily tasks? Well then stick around, because today's your lucky day. And I'll be right back. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Now guys, before I begin, let me make it clear, I was sent this app in exchange for my honest thoughts about it, and they are in no way shaped or formed by the manufacturers. That said, let's take a look at the Xnspy monitoring app. This app is available on iOS and Android, so stick around until the end and I'll tell you just how you can get this app and all of the plans that are available. Now guys, once you've signed up for an account, you'll be able to log in and set up your devices and what you want to monitor. As you can see, you can monitor Android and iPhone devices. And the nice thing is that you don't even have to root or jailbreak any of your devices. As you can see from the interface guys, it's simple, clean and easy to use. Looking at this dashboard, you can quickly see a graph showing the frequency of incoming and outgoing calls, the text messages, and when you look at the top right hand side, you can see general information about the device that you're monitoring. Also guys, on the home screen there is the last known location of the device, the most recent text messages, and on the left hand side you can see a whole list of all of the apps and things that you can monitor. They range from phone logs to instant messaging apps, all of the installed apps, which by the way you can disable with a single click. You've got screen time, which details application frequency and usage. You've got locations, and you've got saved videos, photos. You can download all of those in their original format. And you've got a screen recorder, key logger. You've got the ability to also record calls, ambient sounds, wipe the target device data, and even lock the target device entirely. So that is a whole bunch of things that you can do with this application. You can even toggle all of the helpful features on and off. Also guys, you can set up automatic alerts that will allow you to receive an email notification whenever the target device sets off a trigger, like specific words or goes to a marked location. The app is packed to the brim with amazing features, but the most important one is the backing up of all the data that is monitored on the phone. That way you can use Xnspy to create data backups in case the device gets lost or worse, stolen. Now, I know what you might be thinking, this must cost a fortune for all of that functionality. Well, you know what? It doesn't. Xnspy offers 3 subscription plans. The monthly plan costs you $35.99, that's dollars US. The quarterly plan comes in at $20 per month, and the yearly plan, which pretty much is the best of the bunch in my opinion, is $7.50 a month. Oh, and I say currently because right now they have a 40% discount on all of their plans, and that makes this a bargain not to be missed. So that was a quick look at Xnspy guys, a monitoring app which is absolutely filled to the brim with features at a price that's really hard to match, and you'd be surprised how simple it was to set this up and get it up and running. And guys, if you ever do run into a problem with trying to set it up or trying to make it work or whatever, Xnspy has a 24/7 live customer support department that can help you through any obstacle that you might face. So guys, that's it for today. I'll be back with more lifestyle and tech product videos. If that's something you're interested in, and if you like the video, then hit the thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. All the links to the product are down in the description below. And remember guys, to comment if you have any comments, questions or opinions in the comments section. Thanks ever so much for watching guys. I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.